guys, I wanted to hop on here really quick and talk to you about Etsy titles and tags. If you are not familiar with my group or my page, my name is Lauren Keplinger and I teach Etsy entrepreneurs to take their shop from a sort of struggling side hobby to a consistent income. And today in my Facebook group, I got a question about titles and tags, and someone was a little bit confused about how to structure those titles and tags when the phrase that you're using in your title of your listing is more than 20 characters, which is the maximum number of characters that you can use in a tag. So the example that the person gave for the listing that they were working on was a printable Halloween invitation. And she was wondering how to structure those tags because printable Halloween invitation is not going to fit as one tag. It's too long. And there was a little bit of confusion about if they should match your titles and what exactly the purpose of the tags is. So I wanted to clarify that you definitely should make sure that your titles and your tags match exactly. And that means the words used in the tags are the same as the words used in the title, and they're in the same order within the tag. So the actual order of the tags doesn't matter, but the order within the tag does matter. So in the example that the person in the group gave with printable Halloween invitations, I would personally use that as separated into 3 different tags, one being printable Halloween, if it fits. I'm pretty sure it would fit, but if it fits. And then the next being Halloween invitation, and then the next being printable invitation. So you basically want all 3 of the different ways that those 3 words can go together, but you want them in the same order. So you wouldn't want invitation printable when you have printable invitation in the title. And as far as using the different kinds of words for the tags, somebody made a comment that they think that tags should be used to branch out and not be redundant with your title. And like I said, your tags and your title definitely should match. However, chances are, just because of the character limits, you're going to have extra tags available for you. And that's where I would branch out outside of just the words that you've used in the title. So maybe for the printable Halloween invitation, you could say spider invitation or ghost invitation or whatever is shown on the picture, Halloween party invitation or whatever. So that is where in those extra tags, once you've used up all the phrases that you use up in your title, you then can use some extra ones to branch out a little bit with the rest of your tags that are left. So I hope that that helps you, and I hope that that answers your questions about titles and tags with Etsy. If you are watching this and you're not a member of that Facebook group, I would love to have you join. It is called Etsy Roadmap by Lauren Keplinger, and it is just the nicest group of Etsy entrepreneurs. I would love to see you there, and I would love to help you get that Etsy shop up and running and scaling to the successful business that you're wanting. All right, that's all for now. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.